Are you looking for a way to reduce overthinking, worrying, and anxious thoughts? I'm glad you found us. We have a solution for you. In our fast-paced world, anxiety has become a relentless companion, overwhelming us with stress and mental clutter. This constant state of unease not only diminishes our quality of life, but also hinders our ability to fully embrace the present moment. Fortunately, meditation offers a proven antidote to modern-day anxieties, providing a pathway to inner peace and emotional resilience. Research and centuries of wisdom demonstrate that regular meditation can significantly reduce the impact of anxiety. By fostering mindfulness and stillness, we cultivate an inner landscape of tranquility, transforming our relationship with thoughts and emotions. No longer do we react impulsively. Instead, we respond with greater clarity and emotional balance. For those seeking solace from worry or simply striving to enhance their overall well-being, understanding the profound benefits of meditation is the first step toward lasting change. It's not about escaping discomfort, but rather embracing a life filled with greater focus, ease, and the ability to navigate challenges with grace. The essence of meditation. Meditation, often shrouded in mystery, is a practice of focused attention and mindfulness. It comes in various forms, from the stillness of vipassana to the movement of walking meditation, each tailored to individual needs and preferences. At its core, meditation alters the anxious mind by shifting our focus from constant reactivity to mindful observation. It doesn't eliminate thoughts, but rather cultivates a new relationship with them, where they no longer command our emotions or reactions with the same intensity. For beginners, it's crucial to set realistic expectations. The benefits of meditation are profound yet gradual, requiring patience and consistency. Starting with just a few minutes each day can lead to significant improvements in stress levels, mental clarity, and emotional regulation over time. By understanding these concepts, meditation becomes demystified, laying a solid foundation for anyone seeking to reduce anxiety and enhance their overall well-being through mindfulness practices. Meditation in action. To turn the theory of meditation into practice, start by preparing your space and mind. Choose a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed and sit with a straight back, either on the floor or in a chair. Comfort is key to maintaining focus. Begin with a simple breathing exercise. Close your eyes, breathe deeply through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus solely on the rhythm of your breath, noticing how it gradually becomes deeper and more regular. This anchors your attention and signals your body to relax. Next, transition into visualizing calm through guided imagery. Picture yourself in a serene setting, a lush forest or tranquil beach. Imagine the details vividly, the sounds, smells, sensations underfoot. Visualize stress leaving, carried away by waves or wind, reinforcing feelings of inner peace. These practices provide a tangible entry point for beginners and those battling anxiety. By dedicating time each day to these exercises, you cultivate an inner sense of calm that extends beyond meditation sessions, permeating your daily life. Bringing meditation to life. Let's illustrate the power of meditation with a 10-minute guided meditation for anxiety. All you need to do is to make yourself comfortable. So pause this video, find a space for your meditation, and when you are ready, we can begin.
So, to reduce anxiety, start by taking a moment to relax your body. Soften any unnecessary tension in your belly and shoulder, and find a posture that feels both relaxed and alert. Now close your eyes, or look downwards, and rest your hands in an easy, effortless way. Take a few moments to scan your awareness through the sensations of your body, and wherever possible, soften and release obvious areas of physical tension. Feel the sensations in your body in this moment, and as you breathe, allow your body to completely and fully relax. Allow stress to flow out of you with each exhaled breath. Your body is becoming calm and comfortable. Let any tension in your brow go. Let any tension in your lips go. Let any tension in your eyes go. Just relax in the comfortable space that surrounds you. Once you feel relaxed and centered, start to bring yourself to one of your favorite, peaceful, beautiful places. This could be a place you've been before, like a silent redwood grove with cool shade and towering ancient trees. Or maybe it's a white sandy beach where the ocean waves gently lap the shore and the smell of the sea makes you feel at peace. It could be a place built entirely in your imagination, a lovely, slowly swaying bridge that you stand on, watching a babbling brook flow away beneath it, or an ancient oak in the autumn with golden leaves falling around you. And as you sit under its shade, you watch the golden orange sun pass over the horizon into twilight. Wherever this special, peaceful place is for you, take some time to imagine it as completely as you can all around you. Once you have your special place in mind, bring yourself into the picture. Imagine that you're in this beautiful place. Put yourself there. Take a walk and look at the lovely, peaceful, relaxing surroundings. Before, you were looking at this peaceful scene, like a painting from a distance. Now you're in the scene. You're living it. Be there right now. What do you see around you? There's no need to actually verbally answer this question. Just look around and see what you see. What in this scene is most relaxing to you? Take a walk in this special place and see all that you can see. What do you smell in the air? Can you smell the trees and the soil of the forest floor beneath you? Do you smell the salty air of the ocean? Bring scent into your visualization. Smell the air where you are. Reach out and touch something that's attractive and has a peaceful energy. How does it feel? Is it soft to your touch? You're living in the scene. You can feel the ground beneath you. You can feel the air on your skin. How does it feel? Take a moment to listen. What sounds do you hear in this beautiful new surrounding? Can you hear birds chirping in the woods? Do you hear the ocean waves in their perpetual booming rhythm? Perhaps there is music from an ancient flute in the background. Or maybe you hear the voice of an old friend that soothes and calms you. Whatever you hear, take a moment now to enjoy listening to it. You can stay in this scene as long as you want to. enjoying this moment of relaxation that you've granted to yourself. Feel free to walk around in this special place as long as you want. It's yours. Remember that this special place is always here for you. You can come back to it whenever you wish. You need not be afraid to lose it. It's always with you. The relaxation that you feel right now, at this moment, in your body, is yours to call on anytime you wish. When you're ready, slowly let the scene dissolve back into your mind. Allow yourself to slowly come back to the comfortable darkness that was there before you imagined your special place. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to this moment, this time and this reality. Before you get up, take a moment to note how relaxed you feel right now, and then slowly, attentively, bring this calm and relaxation with you. Allow it to be with you throughout the rest of your day. Thank you for your mindfulness.
Our exploration into the world of meditation has revealed its powerful ability to combat anxiety and cultivate inner peace. We've looked at why this ancient practice is more relevant than ever, defining its essence and how it can remodel the anxious mind. Through practical applications like preparing your space, engaging in breathing exercises, and our 10-minute guided meditation for anxiety, we have experienced firsthand a taste of its tangible benefits. As you continue your meditation practice, remember that patience and consistency are paramount. While there's no instant fix for anxiety, regular practice unveils a profound sense of calm and clarity. Your next steps could involve deepening your techniques, integrating mindfulness seamlessly into daily life, or simply committing to a consistent routine. Regardless of your path, each moment spent in meditation brings you closer to a more peaceful mind and life. Embrace this journey, and you'll unlock the secret to navigating life's challenges with grace and resilience.